Good day everyone, this is going to be a tutorial of how to create a basic HTML form. First, create a basic HTML template. We will put the title as login. Then we will put HTML form tags. We will put label tags for the username. We will then create an input field. Type will be text. We will then put a name on the field so that later, we will know in which input field to get the data. Now, we will create a label and an input field for the password. This time, type will be password. It is important that the name we will use here is different from the name we used for the username. We will then put which file to send the data in. In my case, I created a file named login.inc.php in the includes folder. We will then put the method we are going to use for sending the data. In this case, we will use post. There are two types, post and get. When involving passwords, it is advisable to use post requests. Anyways, now, we are creating a button. We will put a submit text on it. Let's deploy the server and then see what we did. Look at how good this looks. Let's type random stuff. As you can see, we transferred our data to our login.inc.php file. Now we are going to do something about the data we inputted. First, let's create a variable username and put the data from the username text field. If we used post method, we should put post here and then put the name of the text field inside the brackets. Next, let's create a variable named password and then do the same thing. The name of the text field was password if I remember correctly. Let's think of what we're going to do with these data. Do you guys have any idea? Comment in the comment section below. Anyways, let's say if username is hypothalamus. And the password inputted is handsome. Let's go to another location or file. Let's name it user.php. Let's make sure that everything is saved first. Now let's check what's going to happen. Remember to click refresh to see the changes. Let's type hypothalamus here. Then let's type handsome for the password. As you can see, it redirected us to a include/user.php because it met the conditions. But as you can see, we do not have that file here, that's why there was an error. Now that we have created the file, let's do something in here. Let's create a basic HTML template with the title, Welcome Hypothalamus. Let's create an H1 element that says Welcome Master. Remember that our user.php is not in the includes folder, therefore he have to indicate that it is in the parent folder of the includes folder. Before we see what we did, let's try something different. Instead of handsome, let's put ugly. As you can see, nothing happens because it is an undeniable fact that I am not ugly even when hell freezes. Now, let's try putting handsome as the password. See. It gives us love and affection. Let's go back to our index.php. Earlier, nothing happened when we had the wrong password. Let's do something if it becomes wrong. If the combination is wrong, let's put them back on the index.php and then let's add a message. Now let's say if someone tells me again that I am ugly. That ought to teach them a lesson. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and please smash like and subscribe.